All right, the app pick of the week is Cortana on Android and iOS. Whose pick of this? Okay.
So I've been trying. I'm actually using Cortana on Android and iOS. It's honestly not as full featured as the built. Well, it's not as full featured as Google Assistant, that's for sure. And so I recently I was away last week internationally, and it was really interesting to watch these things kind of pop up with information about where I was. Like Google has a really good way of saying, hey, you're at this particular airport. Here's all the stuff you can do here. Here's the weather here. Here's the currency conversion here. Here's, news from the area, whatever. They're really, really kind of good about that. Cortana does a kind of a similar job. It can't be as proactive typically on Android, and certainly not on iOS as the built-in assistant can be. But it got a big update this week. Earlier in March, there was an update that allowed you to access Cortana from the lock screen, meaning you're not signed into the device yet, but it was read-only. And so you could kind of look at your schedule basically and say, okay, there's enough information maybe for me to know what I'm going to do next. But now they've updated it so you can interact with it. And so it works like it does. You have to enable this, obviously. You have to okay it because some people might not want that. But the idea is that you could dive into something in your schedule or learn more information about whatever it's displaying. So it's gone from read-only to interactive, but only on Android, right? Because I don't know that Microsoft will ever be able to change Cortana on iOS because of the way the system's locked down to behave this way on that platform. And this is something we talk about sometimes on the show, that Android is just kind of a more open system and gives Microsoft these, unique capabilities that they can't really do on an iPhone or iOS device. So anyway, if you're a Microsoft guy, and I know that you are, you should give Cortana a look. It's gotten a lot better. The early versions were very basic. There's a lot of configuration and customizability and so forth, and a lot of new capabilities. And it's really getting there. And I had a tip previously how you can actually replace the Google Assistant if you want, so that when you long press on that home button on the home screen, it actually goes to Cortana instead of to the Google Assistant, which is another one of those things that you'll never be able to do on an iPhone.
Yeah, Siri's blocking the door. She's not letting anyone in. It's not just Cortana.
The barbarians are at the gate.
I've used the newest version of Cortana on iOS. I think it came out early March, and it's definitely prettier and it's useful. But it's it's just like if you can't just press the home button and get it automatically, you're probably never going to use it. So
exactly right. Yep, that's right.